it's Nora. Today we are going to make some beetroot chocolate cake. Yes, you heard me right. It's made with beetroot, and I think you won't be able to taste it. So let's start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. To a big bowl, add some white spelt flour or plain flour, almond flour, coconut sugar, and sieve in some cocoa powder. It's very important here because cocoa powder tends to get clumpy. And then add some baking powder and baking soda. Here is some salt, and just whisk them all together. Once it's done, set it aside. Let's prepare our ramekins by greasing them with some coconut oil. Make sure you get all the corners. And here is some dark chocolate. I use 70%. If you like it to be sweeter, you can use like 50%. Here I add some coconut oil to the chocolate and melt them together in a microwave for 60 seconds roughly, and then let it cool a little bit. And then it's beetroot's turn. Here I use pre-cooked beetroot because it's very easy to get in the UK, or you can just boil them by yourself. Add them to a food processor along with some soy milk and vanilla extract. Blend them all together until as smooth as possible. You can also use a blender if that's what you have. And then just sieve through the beetroot mixture into the flour mixture. Use a silicone spatula to push the mixture through the sieve. Most of the things should be able to pass through. And just mix them all together. And then pour the melted chocolate coconut oil mixture into the batter and mix all things together evenly. And then just divide the mixture into the prepared ramekins. This recipe makes 4 small cakes, or you can pour all the batter into a 6-inch cake tin to make a bigger one. In that case, you might need to adjust the baking time. Just move the top and put them all into the oven to bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them around 10 minutes. I personally like to underbake them a little bit so it got like a Fudgy center. And if you want it as moist as possible, I'd say enjoy them immediately. You can add any decoration or sauces you like, but trust me, it's already very delicious on its own. It's a little bit cakey on the outside and fudgy in the middle, which is one of my favorite things to enjoy. And it's really delicious, very easy to make and quick to put together. I hope you will like them. Let me know what you think by commenting down below. And thank you for watching until here. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.
You tell me how you feeling. Seem like your body don't know how to hold you. So maybe I can instead